Hey, hi, good morning, everyone. So, we can start off with today's session. Uh, it is the set two questions for accent shop. So, we'll follow the same procedure what we did in the last class. So, I'll ask each one of you students to answer one question in random. So, uh, I've started with question seven because this set also contains those reading comprehension passages on top. So, uh, that you can do on your own later. Uh, If possible, I'll share some of the passages with you later in the group. Okay, so let's start with question number seven. Uh, okay, let us start with Dilly Babu. Are you there? Probably not listening. Hemavati, Dilly Babu listening. Okay, so can you answer question number seven, Dilly Babu? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, can you answer question seven? Which one? Should, I should if I could. This is what you mean, is it? That's wrong. Anyone else? Does anyone else know the answer? Yeah, it is would. See, how you find out is, see, can't is cannot. Okay, so for can they have used could. Okay, so for won't is the negative of will not, isn't it? So for will you use would. That's the logic over here. Okay, right. Question number eight. I'm gonna put it to Priyanka. Yeah, can you answer question number eight? Buffalo had never washed. That means buffalo washed someone, huh? Huh? Does it make sense? See here, after washed, obviously someone has washed the buffalo. Correct? Yeah. This is not mentioned, but you should understand that obviously, somebody washed the buffalo. Correct? So this sentence is in passive voice because you have by. Okay, so it seemed like the buffalo was never washed before I washed him this morning. Okay, in passive voice, you have to use like this. Okay, let's go to the next question. Uh, Let me ask Nanda Kumar. Nanda Kumar, can you hear me? Not responding. Kavya, are you guys listening to me? Kavya, Kishoriel,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Can you try answering question number nine?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. There is no improvement needed. Okay. That now here is this sentence an active or passive voice? Passive, because maybe a policeman find Neha. Correct. So you convert this sentence into active by saying a policeman find Neha for careless driving. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Next question number 10 goes to Hemavati. Yeah. Can you try answering question number 10? Unless I am invited. Perfect. Very good. So this person will not attend the party if the invitation doesn't come to him. Correct? Okay. Good. Question number 11. Let me ask Ravi. Can you answer? Question 11. Calls for a treat. Perfect. Right. That means there is some good thing that has happened. Maybe this guy got a promotion, or he passed an exam in flying colors or something like that. So that situation, according to that situation, his friend is asking him for a treat. Very good. Okay. Synonyms. Approbation. I leave this open to everyone. Anyone can answer. Does anyone know the meaning of approbation? Yes, approval or acceptance. Very good. Next. Does anyone know the meaning of credulity? Yeah. Yeah, gullible is fine, but what is the meaning of gullible? Correct. Person who, yeah, who can be persuaded into doing things very easily. That's called a gullible person. Good. Fine. Question number 14. Let me put it to Vaishali. Vaishali, can you answer this question? Hello, Vaishali, can you hear me? Not responding. Sumana, yeah. Can you answer question number 14? So you mean to say because the rains are going on, the game will continue? Huh? Do you normally play? So what logic do you have to? Correct. Although or even though, that's the meaning, right? Now I have one more question. Uh, this particular has been raining. What tense is this? I know it is present, but tell me exactly what tense it is. It's not present continuous. It's it's present perfect continuous tense. Okay, yeah, good. Question number 15. Sham ran dash his schoolmate yesterday. Who can answer this? Nitish Sai, can you answer this? Nitish, yeah, number 15. Option A. But you are right, but what is the meaning? So schoolmate is inside the school, so he ran into the school. Huh? Is that the meaning? Are you sure? I don't think so. That is not the meaning. Sorry? Rupesh is trying to say something. No, no, answer is into only. He ran into. But I want to know the exact meaning of run. If you run into someone, what is the meaning? Anybody else can answer. Okay. What do you mean by bumped into? Huh? If see, it means he met him unexpectedly. Okay. It was not something that he expected. To bump into someone or to run into someone means the same, but it actually means that he met him unexpectedly. That's the meaning. Okay. This is called a phrasal verb. Okay. Number 16. Let me put it to uh, Jyotika.
Sir,
Yeah. Can you answer question 16?
sir, option B.
Rapid competition.
Option B, sir.
This is wrong. Do you
Rapid.
rapid means very quick, isn't it? Do you say there was quick competition? You normally say there was tough competition, right? So instead of tough, what can you put? Rapid is wrong. What do you mean by diligent? Does anyone know the meaning of diligent? See, in this case, you can use elimination method. Okay, what is the meaning of diligent? Having a diligent person. He was very diligent. Sorry. Okay, you can say that, but diligent means someone who is alert, right? He's a diligent person. But then, what is the meaning of sparse? Obviously, diligent and rapid don't fit over here because it doesn't mean tough. What is the meaning of sparse? Sparse means very less. Correct. Right. Diligent also means hardworking, like Anupama says. She's absolutely right. See, you whenever you have a competition, if there is a cutthroat competition, it means that there was very tough competition. Now here they are talking about electoral seats. So obviously there are a lot of people applying for this seat, for these seats. So what happens is maybe majority of the candidates are highly qualified to take up these electoral seats. Okay. So there is cutthroat competition means extremely high competition, tough competition. So please remember this. Cutthroat is used along with competition very often. Okay. Right. Next, let's go to question number 17. Let me put this to uh, Hariharan. Yeah. Can you try and this particular sentence? I just want to know if there is any error in this sentence. Do you think there's any error in this sentence? No, sir. Mm, actually, there is an error. Yeah, I've got an answer in the chat. It says C. This particular part, he is absolutely right. Now, first of all, what is this called? This kind of, uh, couple of words that you put in the end of a sentence, asking a question. Do you guys remember something called a question tag? You must have done it in school. Have you done question tags? Yes. Okay. So, how do you form a question tag? You see, this is a pronoun, this is an auxiliary verb, and this is the verb in the sentence. Okay. So, you only have to concentrate on the auxiliary verb and the pronoun. Now, here, this is a positive sentence. Positive in the sense, if it was won't over here, it becomes a negative sentence. Here, yeah, someone has answered. Yeah. Will becomes, you have to put a negative over here. Will change it to won't. And this particular it has to be changed to, again, you. So you change to won't you. So part C is the error, and the error is because of a wrong question tag which was used. Okay, fine. Question number 18. Let me put it to Kavya. Kavya. Okay, Joy Pravina. Anyone who is answering? Yeah, okay. Kavya, you try and answer this. This is the sentence. Do you think anything is wrong with this sentence? What's wrong? Why? What is wrong with option C? About actually means around. Okay. So that is not the problem at all. In this sentence, there is no error today. Okay. Actually, while explaining in the last class, I put this. See, if this wasn't there, then there would be a problem in A. All right. So meeting was adjourned abruptly by the CEO. Now, I just want to ask you one thing. This particular sentence, is it active voice or passive voice? Pa- Passive voice. Can you convert to active?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
CEO adjourned the meeting abruptly after CEO will
Excellent. Excellent. So you interchange the subject and object and apply the tense rule. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. Uh, Last couple of questions are related to synonyms. So I'll just put this as an open question to everyone. Does anyone know the meaning of transient?
short time.
Yeah, it means temporary. Okay. So the opposite of that would be Permanent. Permanent. Yeah, very nice. Okay. And has anyone heard of this word shaffing? No, I don't think so. I'll tell you the meaning and then you choose the opposite. Okay. Shaffing means to tease someone, especially your friends or colleagues. Tease. Teac. Teasing means making fun of someone, right? So, what do you think can be the opposite of that? Which option suits? Yes, Sashi Kumar has answered. Venkat Sashi Kumar. Opposite of that is serious. Okay, right. Uh, Fine. So we've seen a few more questions today, and in the next few sessions also we'll have a look at some more verbal concepts. Uh, so I'll just take your attendance now, and we'll wind up. Okay. One thing I want to tell you, see, we've been told not to allow anybody inside the meeting after 10 minutes at the max. Okay, so personally, in terms of punctuality, I would expect everyone to come in at 10 o'clock sharp, whatever the time is. But if you do face some networking issues, it's maximum another 5 minutes. That's all. Okay, so please come to the meetings on time. Nobody will be let inside after some time goes by in the meeting. So you can't keep giving these network issues all the time. Anyways, let's go with the attendance. Dinakaran, Dilli Babu, Dinesh Kumar, Divakar, Divya, Maunya, Raju, Yogesh, Samuel, Ilavarsan, Rupesh, Nitish Sai, Sai Sumant, Charan Sai, Galacharan, Ganesh, Dinesh, Anish, Goodwin, Gautami, Priyanka, Anupama, Sumana, Hariharan, Harita, Harita Natha, Hemlata, Hemavati, Manisha, Idris, Ritvik, Jai Vigneshwaran, Janni Priya, Janani, R, Janvi, Pratik Reddy, Nandakumar, Jyotika, Joy Pravina, Yashwant, Vaishali, Kamali, Sai Prakash, Karan, Sushmant, Karti S, Kartik B, uh, Kartikeyan, Karunya, Shashi Kumar, Kavya, Nandini, Kishore HK, Kishore EL, Kishore M, Kishore Kumar R, Yashwant, Nikhil, Nagacharan, Kokila Priya,
Sir,
Anil Naidu, Janani or present. Okay. Did I leave out anyone else in terms of attendance?
so I know the attendance of previous session also, but I was not given attendance for
Kavya.
Kavya.
You wouldn't have answered. I'm showing you the screen every class. You would have left the meeting early or something. How am I supposed to know? I always reconfirm with you guys also by showing you the screen again and again. So no confusion is there. Huh? I'm not sure whose mistake it is, but maybe you wouldn't have answered during the attendance. Okay. Right. Anyone else? Attendance? Okay, right.
Dhanani R is present, sir. She is
Yeah, I already put 101 then. Put it. Okay, right. That's all for today. Thanks and have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all right.